of Allah, we're gonna start. Hello, my little scientist. Welcome to our online science class. I am teacher Riham, your science teacher. May Allah protect Saudi Arabia and all Islamic countries from any dangers. Okay. Why we study science grade 2?
Because the large of the world.
Yes. Yes, excellent. Thanks a lot. Yes, thanks, honey. So because the science of today is the technology of tomorrow, please grade 2 follow our online class rules. Be prepared on the time, mute yourself or mute your microphone and close your camera. No one write on the chat. No one write on the chat, okay? Now today, inshallah, we have a quick revise and our lesson why season happen. Close your mic. Why seasons happen. Let's revise. First, I will revise. No one open the mic, okay? So how many seasons in the year grade 1? This four season, okay? Winter, after winter, summer, after winter, spring, after spring, summer, and then fall, okay? So 4 seasons in the year: winter, after winter, it's spring. After spring, summer. After summer, it's fall. Okay, so how many seasons in the year? 4 seasons. Okay, let's talk about the first season in our year here in our country, Saudi Arabia. What about with the winter? The weather in winter or the air in winter, it is cold. And in some places, it is snowy. Okay, some places it's snow. What about with the people? People wear warmer clothes. And what about with animals in winter? Some birds fly to warmer places because in winter it's so cold. So some birds, they cannot live. So some birds fly to warmer places. So what about winter? How is the weather in winter? It's cold, number 1. People wear warmer clothes. Some fly to warmer places. What are the season or what is the season after winter? It is spring. What is the season after winter? It is spring. Okay. How is the weather in spring? The air is warmer. Many rainy days, so it's rainy. Many rainy days in spring. And what about the plants? Trees are grow up and flowers can bloom here in spring, okay? And what about with the animals, or what about with the birds which fly in the winter? Now they can come back or turn back in spring, okay? So what about spring? How is the weather in spring? It's warm, rainy, birds return back, and flowers bloom, okay? After spring, the season after spring, it is summer. So the season after spring, it is summer. How is the weather in summer? Air is hot. The weather is hot. The air is hot or the weather is hot. And more hours of sunlight in the day, more hours of sunlight. So longer days in the summer and spring. How is the weather in summer? It's hot and more hours of sunlight. And these hours of sunlight help the plants to grow up so we can eat more fruits in summer, okay? And now how is summer different from winter? In summer, it's warm or the warmest season. We can call summer the warmest season. And it's so hot and the days are longer. And in winter, it's cold and the days are shorter. Okay? What is the season after summer? It's fall. What is the season after summer? It's fall. Okay? What about fall? Or how is the weather in fall? The air or the weather is cold. The weather is cold and plants, some leaves of the trees or of the plants turn colors or change colors and fall off. So some leaves turn colors and fall off or change colors and fall off. So how is the weather in fall? It's cold and leaves turn colors and fall off. Okay, honey? after fall, winter, and so on. After fall, winter, and so on, all the seasons every year, okay? Now, what causes day and night? We know that Earth's rotation causes day and night, and rotation is meaning spinning on its axis, okay? But what causes the season? When the Earth moves around with the sun, the tilt of the earth causes the season. The tilt of the earth causes the season. Okay, what is tilt, or what is the meaning of tilt? Like this tree. Okay, now it's tilt. It is tilt, not straight, but it is tilt. Okay, so what causes the seasons? The tilt of earth. The tilt of earth causes the seasons. And what causes this? What is the orbit? Orbit is the path. Now this is the earth, okay, spinning on its axis, and the path the earth takes around the sun, here the sun, okay, the path, this path the earth takes around the sun is called orbit. It's called orbit. It's called orbit. Okay, so the earth takes, close your mic. Close your mic. The Earth takes 1 year. The Earth takes 1 year to orbit the Sun. So the Earth takes 356 days, or it's equal 1 year to orbit the Sun. To orbit the Sun. So if the part of the Earth, that tilts toward the Sun, this part that tilts toward the Sun. Now we have, if we are in this part, so now we have a warmer season like spring and summer, because the sun faces this earth, okay, this part of the earth. So if the part of the earth that tilts toward the sun, now we are in the warmer season like spring and summer. But if the part of the earth, if we are in the part of the earth which tilts, or that tilts away, this part that tilts away from the sun, so now we are in colder season. Now we are in colder seasons like fall and winter, and the earth takes 1 year to fall around the sun. In 1 year, the 4 seasons happen. In 1 year, the 4 seasons happen: winter, spring, summer, and fall. Okay, this is about our lesson. Let's revise. Okay.